Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 1940s Budweiser backlit reverse glass advertising sign. These are very, very cool. You see a lot of these reproductions done in plastic. This is the real deal with reverse glass, metal base, so on and so forth. So if you are into Budweiser itself, vintage advertising, or just want a cool sign to make your place look great, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.